Let's learn about path trim. Path trim lets you create animated lines by controlling how much of a path is visible at specific points in time. You can use path trim to create draw-on or erase effects, handwriting animations, and looping spinners. Path trim animations can only be applied to center position strokes. There are two ways to create path trim animations in Figma Motion: the path animation style and path trim keyframes. Let's take a look at each option. The path animation style lets you quickly apply path trim animations without needing to set keyframes manually. Path animation styles can only be applied to open vector paths, and you can only apply one path animation per object. To apply a path animation style, click Animations in the right sidebar and choose Path from the list of options. If the path option is disabled, make sure you've selected an open vector path with a center position stroke. From there, configure the animation type and direction, along with its delay, duration, and easing curve. For more granular control, or to animate a closed vector path, you can use keyframes instead. Keyframes let you animate the start and end points of a path independently, giving you more precise control over the motion. For example, you can use keyframes to create a loading spinner with staggered start and end points for more fluid, organic movement. To apply path trim keyframes, click Add Keyframe next to the Path Trim Start or Path Trim End settings in the stroke section of the right sidebar. Then enter a value between 0 and 100% to configure where the path begins or ends. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to end, then adjust the value to add another keyframe that defines the final state of the path.